All right, hi guys, this is Executive Chef Boyer here at Fruget Seafood's Test Kitchen. We're going to talk to you today about a domestic steelhead trout. It's a farm-raised product coming to us from Indiana. It is going to be hormone-free and antibiotic-free. Comes in a couple different sizes for you. The cut's going to be all natural cut, or the natural cut, pin bones removed, skin still on. Comes in a 5 to 7 and a 7 to 9 ounce fillet. Today we're going to show you the 7 to 9 ounce fillets and a couple different dishes, a couple of ideas to prepare them. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start to get our trout prepped up and ready for the oven. This trout's nice and classic, really versatile, pretty lean. You want to let the flavor of this trout shine through. So really all I'm going to do is hit it with a nice little coarse grind of salt and then just a touch of fresh ground black pepper. We're going to do two preparations today. Classic trout meuniere, nice Louisiana New Orleans dish. Toasted almonds, a little brown butter, and then another dish with a little healthier option. We're going to hit a little bit of a dill and yogurt sauce with a little seared lemon. It's going to be delicious. Alright guys, now that we've got our trout nice and seasoned, we've got our oven preheated to about 400 degrees. I've got a couple of pans in here preheated. These are both non-stick. What we're going to do is we're just going to take a little bit of our olive oil, put it here on the bottom. Not necessary for the non-stick, but we'll do it anyway. Make sure that's nice and evenly coated. Take our trout skin side down, throw it right on there. We're going to put these in the oven, 400 degrees, probably 10 to 15 minutes. Basically, you're just looking to make sure that that flesh is nice and firm, and then we'll plate it up. Alright, now we're going to get one of our sauces together for our classic trout meuniere. We've got a little butter in the pan, a little bit of sliced shallot. I'm going to throw a little bit of thyme in there as well. We're going to let that butter start to brown. Once the butter is brown, we're going to go ahead and add our toasted slivered almonds and just a touch of parsley and lemon juice. That'll go right on top of the fish. Delicious. Alright, and we've got our finished fish here. It's been in the oven for about 10 to 13 minutes or so. Flesh is nice and firm, skin's nice and crispy. What we've got back here is the finished dish. We've basically got just a nice little trout almondine or meuniere, brown butter sauce, lots of parsley and almonds right over the top of the fish. Alright, and as you can see, here is the finished dish. Perfect looking little trout. Great for plate coverage. Nice little sides to accompany it. That's all we've got for you today. Thanks for joining us in the Fruget Test Kitchen.